Hey guys, today we are going to see about the application to application mapping. In the cloud dimension is interested in enhancing the data and the value of ServiceNow dependency view map by extending the discovery. So they want to configure additional application to host and application to application mappings to submit their incident problem and the change process. So cloud dimensions intends to configure the additional process so that two applications that are used commonly in their environment. Those are all putty application and SSHD application. So let's open that virtual machine. We do have the virtual machine. So this is our virtual machine. So let me download the putty application in Chrome. So let's do it. So if I put putty.exe, putty download is there. So I can able to download this one. Uh, let's download MS package. So let's download this one. So it's showing us downloading. So let me open the file. So before doing the installation, let me go into the properties and unblock this. Enable the unblock, and then I can open this one. Then next, install. So we had finished the setup. Once finished, we can open the putty application. So this is our application. As we already know, we have the Linux server's IP address, right? So let me open the schedule. Let me open the discovery schedule. So we can select this one. Here in the related list, we can have this IP address. So if we copy this and then paste it in here, we can do the we can trying to connect this Linux server. So I'm putting this IP address. So once I click open, it's taking some time, and we can select accept. So it's asking for logged in as we already know that username and password, so we can provide it, which has been provided by the Linux server team. So the username, and also we can provide the password. So once we enter it, we can logging into that Linux server application. So that only it's showing us good luck on your labs like that. So yeah, Discord prompt confirms yes, successful confirmation and validation. So the putty is a useful third-party tool when working with Linux. Let me from the Windows server, we can go to the task manager. So here we are in the task manager in the processes. So if I click this one, we can have this IP address. So already running and connected. So if I right click this one, go to details. If I select this go to details, you can able to see actual running kind of details. What are all the background things are working like that. You can able to see it. Okay, so now let's do the quick discovery for Linux server and Windows server. So as of now, we had seen about the Linux server discovery logging in the using the Putty application. So let me split this class. In the next video, we can able to see about the uh, Linux and Windows server classification. So thank you for watching my video as of now. Let's see in the next video.